coming back from upstairs, right? Obviously, the living room's a mess. But then look at this. My fidgets are gone. What? Trapped in a big pile right here. So, what? Wait, is that a note? There's a note. It says, look where you get cleaned. Where's somewhere I get clean? Oh, the bathroom. Okay, let's check. Okay. Whoa! I got my fidgets back. Okay, guys, before I finish this part, I'm gonna go find a basket. So I'll be back in a sec. Okay, guys, I just got a bucket for all my fidgets. I got my Snap It back. My Mario slot guy. I got my fidget palette back. I got this one back. And I got this back. Okay, let's see what this says. Look where all the superheroes and supervillains are. Where's that? Look. Okay, guys. I've thought for a while. And look at this. It says all of them. Okay, I've been looking around here for a while. And I look over. And it's right where I started. How did I not see this? There's a note. I'll read that in a sec. Got my fidget poppet back. My fidget palette back. My other poppet. And then a couple other ones. Okay. Ooh, my bucket's getting heavy. Oh, I forgot to pick up that one. Okay, it says, go where you sleep. Well, that's kind of, well, I sleep here tonight, but I normally sleep in my room. I just wanted to sleep in the living room recently. Okay, I haven't been in my room for a while. So I feel like someone set this up, because I didn't set it up. That's weird. Ooh, there's some right on top of my baby blanket I made for my new baby sister. It says, okay, I'm going to read that in a sec. You probably already read it, but it's fine. I got my squishy burrito back. This other fidget palette. This is one of my favorites. I got my two DIYs. I got this and this one back. It says, look where you play. Well, I play in my room. One second. Dropped one of my fidgets. Okay. Ooh, the closet. So guys, I think it's in the closet. In the toy closet. Let's see. Oh, there's the rest of my fidgets right next to the Pop the Pig. Yay, I found all my fidgets. And in my next video, I'll be showing you all my fidgets, guys. Oh my god, I can't believe I got these back. I just came down from eating. And I lost all of them. Okay. So, I'll show you something real quick. Sorry, I have one of them in my mouth. And it fell. Okay. I found my whole bucket. I'm so happy. I don't know what I would have done if they wouldn't have set those notes up, right? Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I found all my fidgets. Yay! Bye!